Okay, so I would like to welcome you to yet another training video. And in this training video, we pick it up from where we left off in the previous one. And in this one, we want to learn how to populate the teaching and learning aids section or portion of our lesson plan. Now, this portion, just to give you an idea, appears right after the references. So you have your references, and then next you have your teaching and learning aids. Now the question is, how do we add information to that part of our lesson plan? So to do that, we have to tap on section 1, and then we go to teaching and learning aids. So the look and feel and way of working is a bit similar, or should I say very similar, to the references section, the references aspect there. So you have your editor, then you type your text there. So let's say, for instance, that you used a whiteboard while teaching. So going to a whiteboard, you also used charts and the like. So you used whiteboard, you used charts. You may continue typing out the other things that you may have used. So you do your typing there. Then after you're done, you have to go and tap on save. Remember, always save your work. If you don't save your work, it will not be shown on the lesson plan. So always save your work when you make a change, so that the information can be saved, so that you can use it in the future as well. And like we said, we have these three icons here. So we have the undo button, which will simply undo whatever you have done. So when I tap on undo, it will erase what I had just typed. Then redo will bring everything back up. Then we said that there are certain phones which have got small screens, and then you would want to see more text under this part. So you'd click on the full screen button there, and it would make the editor full screen, so you can be able to see better what you're typing. You're able to scroll through content, because it will get quite a lot. So when it gets a lot and you need to see a lot of text, you'd want to tap on the full screen icon there. So you tap on the full screen to enter full screen. Then when you want to leave full screen, you tap on it again. So that will make you leave full screen. And then whatever changes you make, you save. Then once it's saved, you can preview the lesson plan. So previously, we didn't have information under teaching and learning aids, but now that information has been added. So there we go, whiteboard and charts. So that's basically how you would add information to that part of the lesson plan, the teaching and learning aids. And in the next video, in the next training video, we will now move on to section 2 of our digital map, and then we will target specifically the lesson outcomes. That is, how do we add information to the lesson outcomes section? So stay tuned.